welcome back to my channel, you guys. Video is going to be the pre-installation video. Alright, we have a series of videos that we have prepared for you guys, so you guys know how to take care of your curly girl hair. Alright, so this is the hair. This is 18-inch. You can see it's very springy and moves. So let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do, make sure you use a shampoo that is sulfate free. Today we're going to be using the Organics shampoo and conditioner. So what you want to do is you want to run your water. I like to shampoo the hair in lukewarm water. And I also put the stopper into the sink so the sink can fill up with the water in your hand. And you want to apply the shampoo like so. Make sure you're applying it in a downward motion. Do not go upwards. Just apply downwards like so. Okay? Dip it in here so it's alright. You want to really shampoo that hair. So again, make sure you shampoo twice to make sure the hair is clean. Now we are just rinsing the shampoo out of the hair. And I pull it down to make sure I get all the water out. Okay? Now we're going to apply the conditioner. This is the conditioner. And when you're applying your conditioner, make sure you apply to your ends first and just work your way up the hair. Okay? Apply to the ends first and work your way up. Alright, I'm going to leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes and I will be back. Okay, so now we're going to rinse the conditioner out with cold water. Alright, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching.